Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and do multiple Premoves there in chess.com mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for the purpose, first thing that you're going to do is simply go to your mobile phone's desired browser and get logged in there in your chess.com. Once you get logged in, you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line, and then you will be able to find the settings icon, right? Go ahead, tap on that one, tap on this all settings, and at the side, once you're done the other side, you will be able to see this kind of many options, right? So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this timer icon, and now if you do that, you will be able to find another menu appeared, and you can see the feature that we want is enable Premoves. Go ahead, turn this on, and once you do that, this is the main option we need, and make sure this is turned on right over there. And then if you scroll down, you will be able to find this save option. Go ahead, tap on that save option right there, and as you can see, that update is right there, it's updated. Let's go to the play option. So yes guys, that's how you can simply go ahead and turn on the Premoves feature, and you can use it while you play a game. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you got more concerns, leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.